So once you have your presentation ready, your PowerPoint presentation ready, and you're happy with it, and you are satisfied with the copy and the images and the call to action and all of that kind of thing, once you've done that, there are a number of things that you need to do. What I do, and you don't have to do it in the same way if you don't want to, but what I tend to do is I make an image of each of the slides. So I do a screen capture of each of the slides. So I've got, well, in this case, I would have I think it's 6 slides in that presentation, so I would have 6 images. Now, I would, if I was using a PC, I would put those in Movie Maker. I actually use a Mac, so I could put them in iMovie. Then I might add some royalty-free music. Now, whatever system you use, you can appropriate your system or your process accordingly. But you know, what I tend to do is when I've made an image of each of the slides, I will send those images to a site called Fiverr.com, or rather I go to Fiverr.com and I ask somebody to put them together for me with a spacing of about 6 seconds between each one. So a slide will come on the video, then 6 seconds later the next one will come, then 6 seconds later the next one will come, and so on. So I tell them, I give them instructions what to do. They will also add royalty-free music, because I don't have any royalty-free music on my PC or on my Mac. So they will do that all for me. And that's really cool, because then I don't have to think about it. I don't have to worry about it. Also, you can, I'll show you Fiverr in the next video, Fiverr.com, and how all of that works. But what I tend to do is, you can either send the presentation as a whole and explain to them what it is that you want, or what I do is I just separate out all the slides and send them a bunch of 6 or 10 slides or whatever it is, explain to them exactly what I want, and ask them to put music in it and so on, and they will come back to me with a finished video that I can use, and that will be my finished video. So the next thing you have to do is to make an image or a screen capture of each of the slides, and I'll show you what to do next when I show you Fiverr.com. So that's going to be in the next video.